Hello dear students. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter 15, mensuration. In class 7th you have learnt about the perimeter and area of closed plane figures. In this class, you have learnt about squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms and circles. In this chapter, that is in class 8, we will learn about the area and perimeter of some more plane figures like trapeziums, quadrilaterals and polygons. Okay, so let us do the recap of whatever you have done in your previous class. That is area and perimeter of the plane figures which you all have learned in your previous classes. Triangle. So you see AB, this is a triangle whose sides are A, B and C. So its area is given by, and height is h. So its area is given by half base into height, and its perimeter. Perimeter means the length of the boundary. Okay, so it is A plus B plus C. Then we come to a rectangle. Here its area will be a length into breadth, and its perimeter will be twice A plus twice B, means twice length plus twice B, that is written as twice A plus B. Then we come to square. Square, we know that all the sides are equal. So if one side is A, its area is given by side square or A square, and its perimeter is 4 into A, because all the sides are equal. So we'll just multiply by 4. Now we come to parallelogram. Now in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, so here and if it's height, if the distance between the two sides is h, okay, let the height be h, then its area is given by base into height, and its perimeter is given by twice A plus B. I told that opposite sides are equal. So if this is A, this will be also A. If this is B, this will be also B. So it is twice A plus B. Then we will take a circle of radius r. Its area is given by pi r square. Pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, and its perimeter is given by the formula 2 pi r. Let us start with exercise 15.1. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 9:5. If the area of the field is 14,580 square meter, find the cost of surrounding the field with a fence at the rate of rupees 3.25 per meter. So let us solve it. First of all, let us see what is given. L is to B, means the ratio is given 9:5. Area is 14,580 meter square. When it is a ratio, we always multiply with a constant term. So let the length be 9x meter, okay, and breadth be 5x meter. Then its area of the rectangle, we know it is given by L into B. So 9x into 5x, that is 45x square. X into x is x square. Now what is given? Area is given, is its numerical value is 14,580. So we'll equate this with the given area. So 45x square equals to 14,580, or x square equals to 324. Now what is this 324 equal to? That is the square of 18. So x equals to 18. Okay, so what will be length? Length is 9x, which we have already assumed, that is 9 into 18, 162 meter. Breadth is 5x, that is 5 into 18, 90 meter. Now what is the question here? The question is, find the cost of surrounding the field with a fence at the rate of rupees 3.25 meter. Means that if it is a rectangle, suppose it is a rectangle, okay, and we have to surround it with a fence, means we have to find out the perimeter of this rectangular field, isn't it? So first of all, we will find out the perimeter of this rectangular field. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So we will just write down that 2 into L plus B, and we will just put the values which we have just got for L and B. 2 into 162 plus 90, that is 2 into 252, that is 504 meter. So the total perimeter of that rectangular field is 504 meter. And what is the cost of surrounding the field? That is rupees 3.25 per meter. 1 meter ka kitna hai? 3.25. So what we will do, we'll just multiply this 504 with rupees 3.25. Okay, when you multiply, you will get it as rupees 1638. Come to question number 2. A rectangle is 16 meter by 9 meter. Find a side of the square whose area equals the area of the rectangle. how much does the perimeter of the rectangle exceed the perimeter of the square? Okay, so L is given and B is given. So first of all, what we have to find out, the question is that find the side of the square whose area equals the area of the rectangle. Means we have to find out the side of a square, and what is the condition? That area of rectangle is equal to area of square. So first of all, we will find out the area of rectangle. Whatever will be the area of rectangle, that will be equal to the area of square. And what is the formula for finding the area of square? We know that this is equal to side square. So we'll just do that. So here area of rectangle is L into B, that is 144 meter square. Now according to the question, area of square equals to area of rectangle, that is 144 meter square. Now what do we know? That area of square is side square, that is A square. So A square equals to 144 meter square. Okay, so A equals to under root of 144, that is 12 meter. So one side of square is 12 meter. Now the another question is that by how much the perimeter of rectangle exceeds the perimeter of square. So we will find out the perimeter of rectangle, we will find out the perimeter of square, and then we will find out the difference. So just see, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Just put the value, you will get it as 50 meter. Perimeter of square, you know that you all children, you always have to write down the formula, that is very important. That is equal to 4 into A. What did we get? A as 12. So 4 into 12 is 48 meter. Now difference in perimeter is 50 minus 48, that is 2 meter. So perimeter of rectangle exceeds the perimeter of square by 2 meter. Okay, and side of the square is 12 meter. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 24 and 18 centimeter. If the distance between longer sides is 12 centimeter, find the distance between the shorter sides. So children, do this as your homework. Okay. Now let us see question number 8. Rest of the questions are deleted. Question number 4, 5, 6. This type of questions you have already done in your previous classes. So we are not doing this. Now question number 8. A copper wire, when bent in the form of a square, encloses an area of 121 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, find the area of the circle. So a wire is there which is in the form of a square whose area is 121 centimeter square. Now the same wire, you see, when you take a wire, it is straight, isn't it? With that wire you can make any figure you want. You can make a triangle, you can make a square, you can make a circle, and so on. So here this copper wire, first it was used to make a square, and then again that same wire was bent in the form of circle. So, and we have to find out the area of the circle. So what we have to find out? First of all, we will find out the perimeter of the wire. Okay, so let us see. Area of square is 121 centimeter square. It is given in the question. So A square is 121, or A is equal to 11 centimeter. So one side of the square is 11 centimeter. So what is the total length of the wire? That will be equal to the perimeter of square. That is 44 centimeter, isn't it? Now this perimeter of square will be equal to perimeter of circle. Now what is perimeter of circle? 2 pi r. So we will find out r. We know pi is 22 by 7. So when you equate it, you will get it as r equals to 7 centimeter. So area of circle is pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, that is 154 centimeter square. Okay. Now come to question number 10. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Find the area of the shaded region. So this is a rectangle which you can see in the figure. The dimensions are given. Okay, now you see here we will just name this figure. So let us see. Here I have named it as ABCD. Okay, and this point as E and this point as F. We have to find out the area of this triangle. This is the shaded part. Okay, now you see here it is 12 centimeter. This CE is equal to 7 centimeter. Now what is this? If it is a rectangle, so both the sides will be equal. So this will be equal to how much? This whole will be equal to 12. So this will be equal to 5. Similarly, if this is 18, this will be also 18. Now if here it is AF is given as 10. So what will be BF equal to? 8 centimeter. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So first of all, we find out the area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is L into B, that is 12 into 18, that is 216 centimeter square. Now we will find out the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and area of this triangle. Okay. Then we will add these three triangles and then we will subtract from the area of rectangle. So whatever the answer comes, that is the area of the shaded region. So just see, area of triangle ADF is equal to half base into height. So let us take base as 10 and height is 12. Then it will be 10 into 12 by 2, that is 60 centimeters square. Okay. Now we will take the area of triangle BEF, again half base into height. So half into 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. Okay. Then here area of triangle CED, that is half into 18 into 7, 9 sevens are 63 centimeter square. So when you go on solving, you will get like this. Now what we will do, we will find out the area of shaded region. Area, that is equal to area of rectangle minus area of triangle plus D is area of triangle ADF plus DEC plus BEF, which we have already found out. So 216 minus 60 plus 63 plus 20, that is 143, and that will be equal to 73 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is 73 centimeter square. Thank you.